Here's I'll show you how to make animated GIF in Photoshop. Go to your Photoshop, click on File, and you can create a new project, or you can just go ahead and select an image from your computer. So this is a still image. I will make animated GIF using this still image. So first of all, I'm just pressing Ctrl Z multiple times to duplicate this image layer. Then selecting the top layer and selecting the eraser tool, and then I'm simply selecting the hard eraser tool and removing this right eye. Before that, I'm hiding all of these layers, and now I'm just hiding or erasing the right eye, and then I'm selecting this layer, and this time I'm selecting the left eye, then selecting this layer, and here I'm selecting the mouth and erasing it, and selecting this layer and removing both eyes. And now all you have to need, unhide all of the layers and go to Window, Timeline, and here click on this drop down and select Create Frame Animation, and then click on Create Frame Animation, and here click here and select Make Frames from Layers, and here you see all of your layers added. Now if you click on this play button, you notice a basic animation. Now click on this drop down, and here I'm selecting forever. Now it's time to change duration for each frame. So click here, and I'm selecting 0.5 seconds for all of these layers. And now clicking on play button, and here we can see the animated GIF. Now it's time to export it. To do that, go to File, hover over on Export, and click on Save for Web. Click on this preset drop down and select GIF. Here select GIF and click on Save. Select a folder and click on Save. Now I'm going to my File Explorer, going to the folder, and here we have the animated GIF that we just created from Photoshop.